What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another trading session. Today is September the 19th, Friday. We're gonna see what we can get today. It is no news today, but yeah, I want to get a banger. I'm trying to build this buffer. I will be requesting my payout today, regardless. I want to build a little more of a buffer, but we're gonna see what we can do. Man, I'm excited. It was a good, very, very good week. Market opened in about 5 minutes, and yeah, man, let's do a little bit of some analysis. I kind of already have. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm noticing this S&T that's already got put in. Excuse me. First of all, to God be the glory. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. Thank God. Blessed to be here. Blessed to have waking up this morning. Blessed to have breath in my body. Blessed to have clothes on my back, a cover on my shoulders, and air conditioning, and Wi-Fi to even do this and make this video. Yeah, so I just stay grateful, you guys. Stay grateful, stay prayed up, and yeah, man, just be happy. Tell somebody I love them and God love y'all. And yeah, anyway, so I did a top-down analysis. I feel like we kind of can just run up, to be honest, but this 4-hour gap is basically unmitigated. I guess you could say this candle tapped it, but I wouldn't be surprised if it wanted to come back down and tap it again. But I can see I can see price going up. This all we got is London low. Asia, all of Asia has been taken. All we got is London low down here sitting. So yeah. And then we got the S&T put in, so price could want to go down, or we can just run up. I'll let price tell me what it's gonna do. Like I said, all I do is I wait for the orb. I trade the orb, so wherever that goes is where I go. So I'll let the market tell me what it's gonna do. Other than that, man, I think today, it's still Friday without it being no news. I still think it should be a good setup that appears. And yeah, man, hopefully we can catch it. We be patient, we stay patient, we try our best to take the best setup possible. Don't take anything like no stupid trade or nothing like that. But yeah, I think on the 1 hour it's a couple gaps. Yes, like you got this gap that we delivering from. I ain't gonna mark it out, but I know it's in here on the 1 hour. Like we got a lot of gaps that price can try to come back down to, but feel some order. So matter of fact, let me see. Oops, what the daily look like? Matter of fact, it's like it's just gonna keep pushing up. Got a void, and it's kind of strong. Let me see. I mean, yeah, price can definitely come back down. It just depends. I'm feeling like today will be a bearish day, to be honest. But that's just me that's being more predictable than anything. I don't want to short all-time highs. We gonna, all-time highs is sitting right here. So I don't really want to short all-time highs, but I do have a good feeling that price will want to kind of do somewhat of a rebalance, but it really does not have to. I see it pushing all the way up. I ain't gonna lie, I really see bullish being the order flow today, but I wouldn't be surprised if it wants to come down, basically. So today is just a kind of a be reactive to the market type day. Just see what price wants to do, and then we just go from there. Let me see. Like I said, I trade the orb, so I let the price tell me where I want to go. Wherever the volume takes me is where I'll be where I begin in line. But market is about to open. Oh, it just opened. Yeah, it just opened. See what the volume looking like. We got some action eggs. These blue lines are just previous day high and low. I marked that out wrong over here. Hold up. Why did I mark that? Oh. Well, that's the New York session high. If you want to be technical, that's the previous day high. That's the previous day high if you want to be technical about it. Here on ES. And those look equal. Like those basically relative equal highs. I wouldn't be surprised if price wants to come down. Still though, off of this S&T. If we get something off the orb, I'll take a short. I'm not mad at shorting. I'm not scared to short. Y'all didn't see that. It's looking like ES is stronger to the downside for sure. Instead of be the change in state, 15-minute change in state. I don't use that though. I trade the 15-minute orb, y'all. I don't trade this model no more. The volume really not looking bad today though. I can say that. Especially not on ES. I ain't gonna lie, I love me some kombucha. I'm not gonna lie, it's creating a good amount of wicks right now though. I will say that. Let me make sure y'all hear me. Well, I feel like my voice not going right. I know, it's just look at this 1 minute. It's a little wiki. It's a little wiki right now, but it has direction, so I'm not mad. But the bodies of the candles are not promising. But we'll see what that what 4 hour candle open start looking like. Look at the 4 hour. I feel like, bro, I really don't know. It's like part of me. This is I'm not gonna lie. I don't have like a clear thought process on the day. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like price can do either way. Like Like, I wish this 4 hour didn't have a big long wick to the downside. Cause if this was a gap, then I'd be more clear that we bullish. But this is. I feel like price wants to rebalance, maybe. Like at least some. But it can literally continue up. I think it. I don't know, man. It can do anything it wants to do. I ain't gonna lie. But let me see. I guess we. I don't know. Come down, tap these gaps again. Like, it's still 1 hour gaps right here, but it's just that wick. It just throws you off this wick. You respected these gaps has been pretty strong. You respected these gaps twice, so that's why I say I feel like it can go up, but I wouldn't. Excuse me, I wouldn't be opposed. I mean, at the end of the day, we had all-time highs. It's kind of like guesswork. Well, I ain't say guesswork, but I'm not explaining it. The price is definitely looking like it wants to go down. Yeah, I don't know how that 4 hour candle gonna start. Just be patient, though. Hopefully get a couple good gaps, or even if we don't get a good gap, hope we got some, like a good 5-minute gap be created or something. Outside of the orb. And then we be straight out of that. Oh, man. I think we're gonna get some more volume today, hoping for it. Another thing, I think I'm gonna start I'm gonna have to start editing, I ain't gonna lie, and do like just recap videos. I don't know if cause the lives, I feel like people click on it and they see me like just kind of having like sometimes having like little bland moments, right? I'm just kind of watching and chilling and just kind of waiting for the market to do its thing. But and people click off after that. But if I was to do like just recap videos, I feel like people will be more engaged, and I can just, cause that if I'm doing a recap video, I'm just kind of explaining my thought process and what I saw or whatever, and why I took the trade. But then again, I'm doing this for me for the most part, not really. Like, it's basically my journal, so I get to come back and watch it myself. So I don't know though. I don't really know. So I might still keep doing this. I ain't gonna lie. I've been back and forth with it, cause I mean recap videos. I could be able to watch those and use it as a journal also, but it's not gonna be as good as these, as I'm sitting here watching myself, like, and what my thought process is, things that I'm saying while I'm sitting here on the charts and stuff like that. I'm just recapping what I did. So I don't know. I'm leaning more towards continuing to just do it like I'm doing it, and say, shoot, why not? Cause shoot, why not? I ain't gonna lie. It's best for me to do it this way. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm still thinking about it. and I still want to bring y'all more content. I'm still trying to figure out like even if I don't do the live session, then I can just do something else, and I wouldn't be tripping. But it just, I don't know what other content. Like, I know a lot of traders, if they're not doing like live sessions or stuff that's on the charts, they just do kind of like lifestyle videos, and like probably, or they just do some type of like motivation video. We kind of pumping up now. We pumping up, but that could just be, I think ES is just trying to take out this gap, or just tap the gap. ES it's trying to tap this gap, and then go down probably. But you can see in Cuban kind of a little ugly. It's holding direction. It's just not a lot of volume. But still got about 3 minutes to this orb is finished. So, but what I was saying, yeah, I don't know what else to post besides this right now. I mean, I know a lot of traders be like, if you want to be profitable, you got to do this and do that, and they make videos like that, trying to like psychology videos or just just dip. But that's not really who I am. I ain't gonna lie, not right now at least, or ever. I don't know. I don't really. Well, only thing is for me, like I give all glory to God. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I'll hop on here and tell y'all, if you're gonna be successful with anything, you're gonna have to just pray and stick at it. It's different things you gotta do, like sticking at it, but I think prayer gets you there. Prayer will literally get you there. And if you're taking it serious enough, but it's definitely things you should do. But I don't know, for me, everything tied back to God, but that's why I don't think I really do a mentorship. I'm not really gonna sell no course or nothing. I just, like I said, get it out free, just free game on YouTube. Just try to figure something out. Not now, yeah. I want to be more profitable and be able to do that type of stuff first. For me, I'm more of a travel. I'm more of a travel YouTube person, and buying clothes, buying cars. Well, not cars, but getting a car or two, and putting different changes on it, and then maybe getting a different car or something like that, or buying houses, or just showing off. This really just gonna be my business oriented YouTube. This is where I do everything on. Like, if I'm doing like, it'll be like trading pay for my new property or something like that. So I'd be doing videos like that, or how I took my trading money to start this or start that. Orb is almost set, so I don't really like the range of it, I ain't gonna lie. This could be a no trade day. The S&T is still intact though, so I'm not opposed to the downside. I honestly feel like the downside could be in play. Like I told y'all earlier, I do think the downside is in play. You still got a basically unmitigated gap down there. Oh yeah, that gap went there on ES. Or it can run up, man. Wherever we go, that's where we go. Let me see what it is at. Yeah, basically unmitigated gap. It literally tapped it. So it's basically kind of like, it just tapped it. barely, quite, like literally barely in there. But I don't really like this range. I really don't. I ain't gonna lie. I stay patient. I'm not gonna just jump at anything just because I'm trying to build this buffer. If I gotta take a small payout, then I just gotta take a small payout. Yeah, I'm gonna pass this account. But we see what 10 bring. Hopefully, if something does happen, it's not until like 10 o'clock. Fuck, bro. The wrong pipe action. Oh shoot. Golly. God damn. Lord forgive me. Lord forgive me. Let me see. It's looking low probable, I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to, I kind of shot myself in the foot. FOMC day, man. Literally could have been a banger. I would have had the profit I wanted. I would have been up so much more, but it's okay. Happened the way it's supposed to happen. But today is definitely looking like no trade, unless I mean some still could happen. I ain't gonna lie, but it just depends. Kind of want to take nothing till 10 o'clock. Like price action look a little better on ES. Like it's just it's just here. It's just so many wicks. But at least here on ES, it kind of just, you can just tell it got like a little more, I don't know, like a little just more structure, I guess you can say. But NQ just hella wicky right now. That's what I want to see, though. That's definitely what I want to see. That's volume. That's volume. Definitely some volume. SMT taken out. All I need is for this candle to create a good gap. You just disrespected that. And that's a 5-minute candle close outside of the orb, so it could be straight. I mean, I got that high there, but I can see price, just kind of displacing through that for the most part. is my motto. I ain't gonna lie, this is my motto. So I kind of wanted to create a 5-minute. I ain't gonna lie, but this is the motto. I just don't like this candle. The way this candle looks, kind of scary. It's definitely looking stronger to the upside though. Oh yeah, we good. That candle don't mean nothing to me now. Alright, create a little 5-minute gap. Create this 5-minute and come back to it. Create this 5-minute gap, come back to it. Like, you can run up as much as you want to. You can even sweep that if you want to. And then when you come back, you're taking the trade. Run up as, I don't run up too high though, you know, but you can run up. This actually don't look too bad now. We finally got a little bit of direction. We inverse this 5-minute. I'm gonna be mad it creates a 5-minute and we go up. That's all I want to see. I mean, with this large engulfing, this is probably the range of the orb, if you ask me. Somewhat. And that's probably not the same, but if you put this candle, move it down to the orb, it's probably this long. Like, I don't know, but yeah, I like this now. This is what I want to see. Swept that. I do got SMT, but I think that at least gets taken out. Come on, do what you do for a little bit. Create that 5-minute. I'm already dried out, so you don't gotta take it out. One more candle, then you can do what you want to do. I mean, I still wouldn't mind taking it, I'm not gonna lie, but
order filled.
I don't know if this is a bad trade or not. Bro, I'm on stop loss. I was gonna say. Still my motto at the end of the day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Banger. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yeah, it's looking good. Let me put it on here for y'all. I'm sorry. I am in at 790. Right there. 790 on the dot though, not 25. Yep. Going for 1 or 2 stops are down below here. 1 or 2. I like this. This should hit. This should bang. I kind of wish I went in with 2 contracts though, bro. That's be my only problem, but dang, I shouldn't have did that. Hold up. There we go. I wouldn't mind to get some drawdown because it'll probably come wanna like now I might want to come tap that 5 minute. So it might want to come tap the 5 minute and go up. So I'm not really too mad at this if it comes down. I would want ES to tap the 5 minute and just push price higher and make it a breakaway gap over there though, only on NQ. Tapped it. Now we should see her run higher. Hopefully nothing is stupid is said. At the end of the day, it's a pretty good trade. I'm not mad at this trade. I like this. This is not bad. I mean, it did sweep that high though. That's the only thing. It did sweep that high. But I don't know. I see the upside in play. I'm not gonna lie. 10 o'clock is scaring me though. But like I said, it's alright with me. I still think upside is in play. If I was to lose this trade, I just lose it. It shouldn't disrespect. Oh, it is SMT. It is SMT though. I don't know. I still see the upside though, bro. But if I lose, it's okay. I'm not mad at this trade. And it just tap support. See what 10 o'clock does. $10 o'clock in 24 seconds. I definitely feel like it should bounce off the support. Like, I really do. There we go. If we disrespect this guy right here, we good. Oh yeah. Come on, push up. And take out the SMT. If ES can take out this SMT, this definitely would have been a better entry though. If I would have waited on that 5 minute. Dang, is it really gonna respect that gap? I don't know. I did say I saw the downplay being in play though, or the downside being in play. But I just think we should go up. I just see us going up. Push, push, push. This 5 minutes should hold bullish, bro. Literally. Come on. Come on. Push, push, push. If you don't break this gap, come on. Ain't no way this gap's strong right there, bro. Come on. I don't know, it's kind of scaring me. It's kind of scaring me. Because I ain't gonna lie, this small little 1 minute done got respected 3 times at this point. I don't know at this point, like, but I still think this 5 minutes should hold bullish. I mean, we got gaps, we got hella gaps right here. Yeah, it's going up, bro. I don't even know why I'm worried. It's going up, bro. Come on. It's going up. Here we go. Push up. Like, if we disrespect that 1 minute, we're good after that. There we go. Just go and break it, bro. Bro, this 1 minute is holding strong, bro. There we go. Push it, push it. There we go. Push it, push it. There we go. Push it, push it. There we go. Push it. There we go. There we go. Push it. There we go. Close it, close it. Disrespect it. Close it, close it. Disrespect it. Close it, close it. Disrespect this one. Disrespect this one too. I'm sorry, y'all. Come on, just come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push, 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 push. Push, push. 19 seconds to break it. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Come on. Break it, break it, break it, break it. I don't know, these wicks are scaring me to the upside, bro. Like, golly. Look at these wicks. I want to trust myself, though. And we just did not break it. I still see. There we go. Hopefully this is not a reverse orb. If we can break this support again, or resistance I should say now. If ES can break this resistance, I'll be very pleased with price. When we get this, if price wants to come, I got it looking so big. When price comes, like takes this internal high, then I go stops at break even. Bro, this 1 minute is carrying, bro, and that is so crazy to me. Bro, that 1 minute is so strong. What are we doing? This 1 minute is holding, bro. This is a stressful trade, I ain't gonna lie. I'm really not liking how long it's taking us. I don't want to turn it off though, bro. I'd rather lose my money, rather than not trusting myself. That's a thing I'm dealing with trusting the process in my trading. I end up turning trades off and being right. I'm tired of doing that. I'd rather let the stop loss get hit. If we can just break this gap though, bro, we'll be straight. But that gap is holding, bro. There we go. That's what I want to see. Alright, we broke it. We broke it on both sides. Now, if ES can break the support, we straight. I see ES also won this high. Then that'll be a banger. I just need ES to break this. There we go. There we go. Push, push. Break it with volume too. Break that motherfucker with volume. Break it with volume, bro. It's fighting on it right now. There we go. Push, push, push. I mean, that 5 minute, it held, so. And it only got wicked, so it ain't even like a body was even that close to it. So, you got all this volume up. I just see price going up, man. The 5 minute look like over here. Yeah. I was gonna get no crazy tariff and talk or nothing. We good, bro. No. The doggone is holding. Don't reverse order me, bro. Don't. Damn. I think it's finna reverse orb over here on ES. Fuck. I don't know. Gonna push me all the way back down. It might be a reverse orb. I don't know. Goodness gracious, bro. Look how perfect it is, though. It might reverse orb. I ain't gonna lie. I want to trust myself, though, but I kind of want to just protect my profit and get out, but because it's looking super clean over there on ES. It just needs to break that, man. But all this, though, then we got equal lows. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna just keep it open though. If I lose the 5, I lose the 5. Yeah, it's probably over with. Structure is telling me damn, bruh. I'm just trying to figure out what price we want at this point. It's a very stressful one though. Stressful trade. Now we gotta try to fight this 1 minute, which I don't think is gonna happen. With that order being in play,
Order filled.
I turned it off. I ain't gonna lie, y'all probably shouldn't have. I just don't like it, bro. It look too clean over here on ES. I look at myself. I probably turned off the wrong time, bro. I tried. It was just so stressful, bro. Like, what are we doing? It just might not be a problem. It's too much chop for me. I'll take my little $82 on the day. It's just very bad, bro. Like I got what I want right here, but it's just, yeah, I should have stayed in though. It's hard, bro. That's the thing. I'm still trying to get through this. Like it just be so hard, bro. Dealing with drawdown so long. I don't like dealing with drawdown. I like them trades that just run. But I know every trade not gonna be like that. So I'm still learning on, working on holding trades for the long road. But man, this is an ugly trade. But yeah, I made $82 on that trade. I mean, it wasn't. I probably should have kept it open, but we just gonna see what price do. I can probably still have another little entry. We'll see. But the way this got respected, it looked too clean as a reverse. Damn, man, I should have kept it open. I mean, I did have all this down here, so it's probably like just prices want to touch it, but it was like, golly. I ain't gonna re-enter though until I get an entry. I bet when price finally break it over here, it's gonna just dump up. Look at it, it's already respecting that support again. I mean, and then 5 minute gaps do take a little longer, so they do take a little longer. I mean, it's a 5 minute. It ain't like it's a 1 minute where it just bounces up. It's a 5 minute. So what I want to see now, I really want to see the downside, because with this liquidity being swept, well, not really swept, but wicked. I'd rather see a reverse, or I'd rather see ES go down. We 5 minute inverse. I want to see a 5 minute inverse. I want to try a reverse orb. That's what I want to try. But I'm in profit today, so I ain't mad at this. I'm in profit right now. Yeah, this support is holding strong. Oh yeah. Thank God I got out, cause now it's busting through it. I mean, if my draw was right, then it wouldn't take this long to get to it. So I just saw that volume. Like, this candle is very promising to me, but as you can see, we going down. It just broke through the support. This is now resistance. That's what I've been calling support. This resistance is strong over here on ES. Like that would the reason I didn't like it no more is because that would have been an entry for me. Goes down, does a little bit, comes back up, hit support, drop down with a drop down with volume with this gap, with this bearish gap. Then I would have got in on this retest on this candle, and then see what happens. But like I said, I'm gonna take trades on ES. Only on NOIR. That's where I take my trades. Only on NOIR. See, now it's using this as resistance, looking like. Yeah, I think the downside is in play. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm glad I got out of that. Thank God. I be trying to trust myself, but sometimes it work. Sometimes it's good to trust it. I mean, I be reading price. I be like looking at structure, and it's just telling me like, nah, okay, the upside is pretty weak. So that's why I was like, okay, let me get out. But now I like this volume to the downside. I wouldn't mind taking the trade to the downside. So a reverse orb could honestly play out. My stop loss was right here under this week. I would have got stopped out. Looking like. Oh yeah, I would have got stopped out. Thank God I got out of that trade. Thank God. Man, he is awesome. He is awesome. Trying to get this payout, man. But yeah, I think the reverse orb is in play. Depending on what this candle gives me, if it makes this good, nice, large gap, then I know we straight. And I know London lows that's down here is probably the draw. Still got S&T up here at the ties too. Basically this one. That's the gap it created. I'm not mad at that gap. Man, God is good. I'm so glad I got out that trade. I asked God to help me with my decision making. And he helped me through trading too, so so we inversed that 5 minute also. Take this one off. We inversed that 5 minute. If this can create a 5 minute, then I'll get in, or come back to this 1 minute. Then I'll get in for a short. I wouldn't be mad at no short. I think this is very strong to the downside at this point. I think NQ might want to come back and tap resistance again. I don't know. But right now it's looking very strong to the downside. So that's definitely the direction the prices want to go to. Yeah. Be patient. Hopefully I want to see this 5 minute get created. We do got gaps below though. Got all these gaps. I don't know. It could just be. I could just be done for the day. I ain't gonna lie. I could just be done for the day. I don't want to force nothing. Just trying to get this buffer, so I don't want to force nothing. Definitely don't want to force anything. But that'll be a clean. I mean, with SMT at the top, sweep of this was that previous day high. Obviously, sellers are right there. Oh, it's coming to test that one. It's coming to test that run a minute. I should probably be getting in right now. I ain't gonna lie. Probably should have got in right there. I didn't see that. I'm looking at everything else. What this got over here? Do I try short, y'all? Do I try short? I might be done. I ain't gonna lie. If I miss this, I'm probably just gonna be done. And just call it a day.
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm trying it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying it. Trying a short. I'm in at 772. Okay, so I was looking at price 72, 25 or 75. But I did say price might want to tap that support or resistance, I should say. And I did say that. I wouldn't be mad at that if this just taps that and come back down. Is that right? I'm sorry, I'm looking at price, y'all. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should have told my ass to not trade no more. I stop losses up here at 77. I mean 97. 97, 75. Oh, I really just want this low. I'm not gonna lie. That's all I want. Well, nah, I guess I'll go because at least a one. Wow. Don't tell me now you want to go to the upside. And it surprised me if I lose this one though. I probably should have stayed out like I said though. It'll be on me if I lose. We're just ordinary people. You don't know which way to go. I think we should take it slow. Oh, got this gap, so this could be bad. I don't know. Probably should just stayed out. But the downside does look good to me. Hopefully this resistance is strong enough. It's kind of discorrelated too. Prices kind of back and forth with each other. Like yes, it's not as correlated as NQ. It's not. They're not really too correlated, but we see what happens. See what happens. I'll take this L if it's a L. But with London low being at the down there, I can see that just being the draw, bro. I mean, but with this wick, it's looking like yeah, it might be a L. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it might be a L. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I'll take my L with pride. That makes sense. This L makes sense. I ain't gonna lie. So, man, that L makes sense. I ain't gonna lie. Dang it, I should have stayed out, y'all. And I didn't like the volume on this either, so it's really on me. I dare you to come back down to break even. I'll definitely turn you off. Go on, lose me.
Order filled.
There we go. Yeah, I lost 420 on the day. I'm not really mad, bro. A little bit. I want to request this pay. I still need to though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So probably just want to tap these little 5 minutes. I should have just took my little 82 man and called it a day. Well, yep, that's my day. It tapped this little 50. It tapped this 15 minute and decided to go up. That's why you gotta know all these gaps, where all these gaps are. Don't tell me you hit my stop loss, they ain't going in my direction though. I'd rather you just keep pumping up, man. Wow. I'm done for the day though now. It's like what we got Monday, bro? Damn, bro, I want to build this mug up, man, but you brutal. Come on, look at price. It literally tapped my stop loss too. Oh my gosh. It just tapped it. I'm pretty sure Monday we ain't got no news. Nope. Probably just a low probable day. I probably should just stayed out today, protecting my capital. Man. Bro. I just don't want to take no little small payout like that, bro, but what can I do? Gotta do what I gotta do. And I'm trying to patch this eval, bro. Golly. Almost there, though. Today is low probable. I should just stayed out. The eagerness to get this payout is where it came from though. So it made me more eager to just press the button. That's the thing about trading, it's so easy to just tap the button. I don't know, but it looked, I actually did not. That was the model though. I mean, we inverse the 5 minute. Well, technically we didn't though. And when we inverse, I would like for it to inverse and make another gap, not just. So if I would have waited on that extra 5 minute, like if this would have created 5 minute, then I'd have been straight. So now price is going in my direction. That's crazy. If only I would have moved my stop loss up a little bit more, a tick up. Yeah, it's all good though. I lost 420 on the day. I ain't really too mad at that. If I do lose, it's gonna be small. It ain't gonna be too crazy. Price is going everywhere too. I just got caught up in some chop. The way he is looking, I should have just stayed out because this is super choppy. What we got? We got no news Monday, so I won't be trading Monday for sure. We got 9:45 news. Flash manufacturing on Tuesday. Richmond manufacturing on at 10 on Tuesday. So that'd be a good trading day. New home sales, orange folder. So that's not really nothing. Basically a no news Wednesday. Final GDP, unemployment claims on Thursday, so that'd be a good day. Thursday is my best days. Then we got core PCE and GDP on, or no, just core PCE price index on Friday. So next week's will be a good week. I don't plan on holding up payout though. I just need to go and go and take it now, bro. So at this point, it is what it is. I did want to try to build this buffer today though, but didn't happen the way I wanted it. I didn't like just making $82. I'm trying to build this mug up, but that's the cost of shooting yourself in the foot, like I did on FOMC, turning that trade off. So it's on me at the end of the day. But yeah, that's my day. I probably call it a day. Overall good week. It's a green week. Not mad at the week at all. I'm up. Dang. I was up a band or so this week, but now I'm only up $657 this week, so. And then I was right, cause look at price, bro. Price is telling me it want to go down. If I would have moved my wick up, my stop loss up a little bit, man. But I ain't trying to. That's not something I do. I don't wanna. That's building bad habits. My stop loss is where it was at for a reason. I shouldn't have wanted, like, price shouldn't have went up there no way if it was a winning trade. And it still ain't even went downward into where if I would have been green, I would have been still in drawdown right now. I still think the downside is in play though, but it's just a choppy day. We had all these moves, Friday prices. I should have just not traded today. But overall, good week, bro. Overall, good week. I just made some mistakes. Once I get all these mistakes out, I'm good. But I'm gonna have to go and take this payout, bro. I don't. Damn, man. I really want to take a better payout. It's like I don't want to wait another week, bro. I really don't. Damn. I don't know how much I'm gonna take out. I'll probably take out like $700. I might do a $700 payout. See, but how much would that put me in drawdown, bro? That's why I do not like this rule. That's why I cannot wait to have enough capital to just have my own live account, because I don't want to deal with this type of stuff. I mean, I like the prop firms though. It's a nice way to, man, look at price, bro. Oh my gosh. Now, why they have to do all that? Y'all see this shit, bro? Anyway. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm lock myself out so I don't do no stupid shit. Sitting here looking at price. This is why I do like prop firms. I'm not gonna lie. I already lost my 420. I ain't trying to lose no more. That's how I have days like where I'm losing $830. I ain't trying to hear no. I'm done doing that. If I do lose, it's gonna be no more than $500. That's my maximum loss limit. I ain't losing more than $500 a day. I don't even be understanding how people be like, I'm only gonna lose 200. I don't even understand how y'all be doing trades like that. Well, I guess it's cause, like I said, I don't understand the mini and whatever the other one is, micro or whatever. So people probably be on the micro or whatever chart or whatever. So that's probably how they be doing that. Price would try to go in my direction afterwards, bro. This is so lame. It went all the way. It literally just tapped my TP, bro. That is so crazy. It's literally equal high at my TP. I mean my stop loss. Now it's going in my direction. Bro, I tell you, bro. Man, that's the worst feeling right there, I ain't gonna lie. Man, that's the worst feeling, bro. Bro, look at price. That's the worst, bro. That's the worst. I ain't gonna lie. Good thing I locked myself out, though. Bro, that's the worst feeling, bro. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. It's irking my soul right now. I'm trying to build this buffer, bro. It's like, bro, I want to wait till some more next week, but I don't know, man. I can't. I just want to go and take it. Might just take me a little $700, but I don't know, bro. How much drawdown would that be, bro? Let me see, bro. I don't even want to take 700, to be honest. That's crazy. Take that little ass payout, bro. I'm gonna take it though. Price going exactly where I wanted to go though. That's so lame, bro. I swear. That's lame, bro. Bro, it literally tapped my freaking stop loss, didn't go straight to where I wanted to go, bro. That's so lame, bro. Look at this here, bro. It's like it knew I was right there, bro. My stop loss was literally right there, bro. It literally tapped it and went down. It's just the price you gotta pay sometimes trading. That mean if I would have got in just a little bit later, bro. Or just waited on. I guess what I could have did, I could have just waited on support to be hit. But that'd be a crazy range. Or resistance, I should say. Bro, just a little bit more patience, bro. Look at price, bro. Bro, I wish I can go back 10 seconds, 10 minutes or whatever it was. So I know now, if I do a reverse order for the, well, it just depends, bro. It just depends. It's just them no news days, man. Them no news days just choppy, bro. If there's no news, I lose. That's what I'm finna start saying. Fuck, bro. That is crazy, dude. I just didn't expect price to even have to come up this high, though, bro. Like I told y'all when I got in that trade, I at least expected probably to come hit support or resistance. I mean, but to break through with all this, like all this is crazy. All this above this support line is crazy. Cause it never needed to happen. It ain't reaching for nothing. Well, I guess this what bearish 1 minute. I guess it's reaching for that. But that's crazy. It literally just stopped hunting me, bro. It probably just stopped hunting me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It literally just stopped hunting me. That's crazy. It didn't probably dump to where I wanted it to go, bro. It's unfortunate, bro. I can't trade no more though, bro. Oh my goodness. I just hope they don't do me like they be doing everybody else. People be having trouble getting they payout. I think what I'm gonna do is just take a little small payout, man. Take what I can take, and then just go from there. But I'm not gonna mess up my drawdown, bro. That's what I'm not gonna do. So I'm gonna take me a little small payout. Know it's real or whatever. That's how people be saying it's good to do. Take my small little payout. Make a positive of the day. I'm finna do it right now. Look at price though, bro. Oh my god. I need to turn this thing off. Yeah, it's irritating me right now, bro. It literally tapped my. If I just, bro. Oh my god, bro. If I was up just a tidget. Oh my god, it's so irritating, bro. I mean, I could have gave myself a little more leeway since I had already made $82, but damn, bro. And then price is literally dumb, bro. Like, why'd you have to go up that high? Like, it was the obvious draw. That just pissed me off, man. Gotta do this W9. Well, yeah, I'm gonna request this payout and then go from there, y'all. I'll see y'all next week. Y'all have a good weekend. Y'all have a good Friday. And yeah. Love y'all, man. Love y'all.